Now बच्चे have a look on illustration number 16. In previous illustration, balance sheet was given to you, and with balance sheet some notes were given to you. Now in this question, statement of profit and loss is given. Statement of profit and loss, and then some notes are given to you along with some additional information on next page. So from statement of profit and loss, only two items you will take. First is बच्चे profit before tax 88,000. It is clearly given to you profit before tax 88,000, and we have to add all those non-cash non-operating expenses, but we have given those detail of those expenses in notes. So we will consider the notes. Income, for income we will see the note number 1. For depreciation and other expenses we will see the note number 2 and 3. But one thing we will take from here, that is the change in inventory. The opening stock was 1 lakh and the closing inventory was 130. So there is an increase in the current asset, it will be subtracted. Only two items we have taken from this statement: profit before tax and increase in a current asset. It will be subtracted. Any doubt, bache? From the profit and loss, we will take two things: profit before tax and increase in the inventory, because other items notes are given. So we will consider the notes first. Other incomes, dividend received, it will be subtracted bache. Profit on sale of building, it will be subtracted. Both the items comes under operating activity and they will be subtracted. Depreciation, goodwill write-off, both these will be added. If you know the format, you know that in this profit you have to add depreciation and goodwill write-off, and you have to subtract the dividend receive and profit on sale of fixed asset. Next, what is given bache? Other expenses. Office expenses will not be taken, they are operating expenses. Selling and distribution will not be taken. Yeah, share issue expenses written off, it will be added back. And this was the profit 88,000. We have added the depreciations, share issue expenses and goodwill write-off. We have added everything, and we have subtracted dividend receive and profit on sale of fixed asset. This is operating profit before working capital changes. One working capital change we have already considered from the statement of profit and loss, that is change in inventory. Now these items are given in additional information: wages outstanding, current liability; salary outstanding, current liability; salary prepaid, current asset. But only one balance is given to you. Second balance is not given. That means कि second balance, the initial balance was 0. They all have increased now. Earlier there were no outstanding expenses and there were no prepaid expenses. Now it is there. So you will consider every item increase. So there is increase in current liability 2, it will be added, and there is an increase in current asset, it will be subtracted. If only one balance is given to you without any date, you will consider that previously it was not there and now currently it is there. So you will consider them the increase. Any doubt, bache? Next question is also based on the statement of profit and loss. Have a look what is being given to you. In the same way, bache, other incomes are given to you in the note number 1, and depreciation other expenses note number 2, 3, and there was luckily no change in inventory is given, and profit is given 34,000. Profit is 34,000, you will consider it here. Okay, profit you will take 34,000. Rest you have to see the notes, note number 1, 2 and 3. Nothing more is given to you except provision for tax. Yeah, provision for tax is given to you 21,000. This we will take. Now bache, have a look on the notes. Even no additional information is there. Depreciation and goodwill write-off will be added. 28,000 will be added. Depreciation and goodwill write-off will be added. Then profit on sale of machinery, dividend received and income tax refund. Beta, income tax refund is always shown in the working note. So we have to make a working note. Profit and dividend we will subtract from here. Profit and dividend we will subtract from here. But for refund of income tax, we have to make a working note. And in that, we will subtract refund of income tax. Only one item which is subtracted from working note is refund of tax. Now, rent is a normal expense. It is not there in the format of the cash flow statement. Loss on sale of building will be added. Depreciation, goodwill write-off and loss will be added bache, and these two incomes will be subtracted. This refund of tax will be subtracted from the working note. In working note, we have to add the profit and provision for tax. Only two things we have taken from here. Profit plus provision for tax minus refund of tax. The profit becomes 49,000. 34,000 was the profit. We have added the provision for tax and we have subtracted the refund of tax. 15,000 we have added. It become 49,000. No, there was no change in working capital. No information is given regarding current asset and current liability. So this is your cash generated from operating activity. Now it is being assumed, put a star here, कि whatever we have assume, it is assumption that whatever was the provision for tax, we have paid the same tax. Whatever was the provision, bache, we have paid the same tax. So whatever 15,000 we have added, we will subtract 15,000 from the end as tax paid. You have to put a star over here, bache, that whatever tax we have assumed we will pay, we have paid that. Only if only one provision for tax is given, then that will be added and that will be subtracted by way of tax paid. Any doubt, beta? You just have to remember the format, nothing more than that. Next question. Again, bache, statement of profit and loss is given to you. Revenue from operation, other expenses. From here you will see change in inventory. Current asset is reducing. It will be added. 50,000 will be added by way of current asset. So current asset inventory 50,000 will be added. Okay. Then other expenses, nothing is given. Profit before tax is 1,50,000. Only two items we have taken from here. 1,50,000 profit and decrease in the current asset. It will be added, bache. Now additional information is given. Trade receivable decrease. Current asset is decreasing. It will be added. Prepaid expenses increase. Current asset is increasing. It will be subtracted. Trade payables decrease. Current liability is decreasing. It will be subtracted. Then outstanding expenses increased by 3,000. Current liability is increasing. It will be added. Operating expenses include a depreciation of 25,000. Only one item is given, non-cash and non-operating, that is depreciation. That will be added here. So in this profit, depreciation is added. It becomes profit before working capital changes. Then you have to add the current assets. Decrease in current asset or increase in current liability. And then you have to subtract the increase in current asset and decrease in current liability. This is your answer. Any doubt, beta? Next is also a very easy question. Profit and loss of 2 years are given to you, 17 and 18, 25 to 80. So you will take the difference and difference will be 55,000. 25 to 80 means the difference is 55,000. Then depreciation 12,500, it will be added. Goodwill amortize 8,000 will be added. Loss on sale of machinery 20,000 will be added. These items will be added. Provision for tax will be added in working note 15,000. Provision for tax will be added 15,000. Then bache transfer to general reserve 30,000. It will also be added in working note. Then decrease in trade receivables. Current asset is decreasing. It will be added. Outstanding expenses, two dates are given to you, they are increasing, it will be added. Then prepaid expenses, if only one balance is given and opening, it is opening, that means we have paid them all, we have used them all, so there is the balance on 18 we will consider 0. This is a decrease, it will be subtracted. Any doubt bachche? Those two items, provision for tax and transfer to reserve, will be added in working note. Profit, we have taken the difference between the 2 years profit, and only two items will be added in working note, that is transfer to reserve and provision for tax. And then we have seen the working capital changes. Any doubt bete?